everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a different type of video. I'm going to be making a theme that isn't my style and isn't complicated like the ones I make usually, to see how my followers will react and see what they will say about the theme. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first thing I need to do is I need to make a coloring because I can't use like my coloring I have right now. So first I'm going to import a video. I'm just going to use that one. Let's use, okay, I'll use that filter. It's not my favorite filter, so, and I'm going to try to use like fonts not many people like, I guess, I don't know. Now let's go on to, okay, no, I don't want that. Okay, let's see, I'm just going to like play around with a few things and I'll be back. This coloring, it isn't bad, honestly. It's not the worst thing ever. I wanted to make it like super bright, but then I feel like if I make it too obvious that I'm trying to make it look bad, it's not gonna like work out because you don't want them to know that I'm trying to make it look bad. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to use some like fonts I personally don't like. Not saying that they look bad, it's just I'm saying I don't like them that much. Wow, masterpiece. Okay, I'm gonna use this. I am going to use this. Is it bad that I'm like super excited about this? Because I really want to know what everyone is gonna say. Let's use, no. If I use something like, okay, let's use, what should we use? What should I use? I'm gonna use one of the filters from here. I'm going to use honey. And, okay. I'm just very, 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 very excited about this. It's not my fault. It's just, it's an art piece. Let's use like, a different type of intro. No, we don't use that. I'm just gonna use my normal intro. And in the caption, I'm also gonna write like, I love it, so people think I actually like it. But it's like, the truth is, it's not my favorite. I don't quite like it. Let's go on TikTok and post it. Okay, so I'm going to post it in like 2 minutes, and let's see what everyone says. Okay, so I've posted the video, and I'm quite excited to see what people will say, and I want to see if people will like it, or they will say like they like my other themes better, because I personally, I like complicated themes, and themes with like a lot of symbols, I guess you could say. I don't know. And no one has commented yet because I like just uploaded it. But I'm going to come back at 1:30 to see if anyone or like what people have said and see if like people like it or not. Hello, so I am back and it's 1:29. Sorry. So it's 1:30 and now we can go check what people have commented. Anyways, so everyone, okay, let's go into the comments section. A lot of people are saying, I prefer your other theme, or someone says, okay, a lot of people are figuring out that this is for a YouTube video, just because this isn't my style at all. And I'm really happy that people are figuring that out. People
Anyways,
would, like,
that is it for this
YouTube video, and I'm gonna keep this up.
Anyways, I'm gonna keep
so
this
people
video
can be
up
honest
so more people can like
and
comment
everything.
and view the video. But that's
Yeah,
it
thank
for
you
this
so much
video.
for watching.
Bye.
Bye.